this practice, a wave with a crest-to-crest distance of 2 meters is expressed as y equal to sine pi times x minus vt, where x and y are in meters, t is in seconds, and v is 1 meter per second. Sketch the y at t equals 0 second is the first question, and second question is t equals 0.5 second, and 3 is t equals 1 second. At first, we'd like to write an equation at each times. So first question is if you substitute t equals 0, y x 0 equal to sine, if you substitute t equals 0, this is pi x. And this is question 2, y x 0.5. It becomes 2 sine pi x minus 0.5, because v is 1. 3 y x 1 equal to sine pi x minus 1. Then we'd like to draw the each graph, sketch each graph. So first graph, I'm gonna use black curves. Second one, I'm gonna use red curves. And the third one is a blue one. It's easy to distinguish each curves. But first of all, I'd like to draw the xy axis. This is x, y. So I'd like to start drawing the first question, y equals 2 sine pi x. So it starts from the 0, and it becomes 1, 2, and the amplitude is a 2, and the minus 2. So you can draw the this is the amplitude. And then this is minus 1, minus 2. So this is a graph for the ones. 3, 4, and the minus 1s, and the minus 2s. This is the graph 1s. The graph 2, I can draw the red ones. If you substitute x equals 0.5, it becomes 0. So it starts from here. And if you substitute 1, it becomes positive 2. So looks like connecting these two curves. If you substitute x equals 0, this is sine minus pi over 2. It becomes minus 2. So you can find this is a curve. For the second question. And the third question, we'd like to use red blue curves. So if you substitute x equals 1 here, x equals 1, it's sine 0. It starts from here. And if you substitute x equals 2, it becomes sine pi, it's here. If you substitute 0, also it's going to be 0. corresponds to this point, it becomes here. Sine pi over 2, it becomes 2. So blue one is should be drawing this way. So if you look at these three curves, you can easily recognize the curve is moving to the right. What is the velocities? After the one period of time, this point is moving to the right with the unit of the 1 meters. So as we can confirm the velocity is actually 1 meter per second. Okay, this is the answer to these questions.